like literally just at the front of the church, which is crazy. But these guys have a crazy idea. They want to camp at the back here. So guys, it's the next morning. It's been raining non-stop this morning. That's Joe over there in the bivvy bag. I'm gonna pack up the tent, and it looks like CP's already rolled out, but yeah, it just keeps on raining. So I came across CP at this bus shelter this morning. We've been in here for, I don't know, I rocked up maybe a few hours ago. We've been just chilling in here for the last few hours, just waiting till the sort of rain stops and until Joseph meets up with us as well, because he was still at camp. He's on his way at the moment. But just cooked up some lunch and just warming up the legs with the Trangia at the moment, which is great. Actually, we cooked up some rice and some chili beans. The rain is cleared for the moment being. I think it's still meant to be raining for today and maybe for the rest of the day and the rest of the week ahead. However, it is a bit later on in the day. It's like around 2 o'clock. We've been just chilling at a bus shelter for quite a few hours. I don't know about in the frame.
I'm on the frame. I'm on the frame.
You're on the frame. I haven't checked.
Oh, you're recording. Oh, it's pretty sturdy. I'm impressed with English engineering. There's a Bronco.
Good old Rayleigh.
No, it's all the Raleigh's probably the best one.
So this Eurovelo cycle trail is actually pretty good, and what I'm thinking of doing is maybe writing some kind of blog post on my blog, cycletraveleverload.com. So probably by the time this particular vlog comes out, I'll have some kind of information written up. So if you are interested in learning like from first-hand experience,
so I think his derailleur's gone.
Joe was saying something feels weird on my bike, and his derailleur just like kicked this off at me. Good knowing you, man.
How did you pick that? Something felt weird, eh? Huh? Just felt weird. Damn.
I think the axle, the whatever the hell the
jockey.
See now, because I bent that. I might have to take this off.
You want to do it? No, I need to take off the derailleur. You got that
idler pulley is what we call them. Idler pulley.
So we're going to do a bit of a bush mechanics fixie transition on this thing. Because the derailleur's stuff.
No, I'm picking my gear. You're natural with the dock leaf. Dock leaf light.
So now you've got a massive Ultegra rear derailleur body parts, and
mission accomplished.
Yeah, that's what you do. You turn into a single speed,
baby.
Did you calculate your gear inches in your head that you wanted?
No, I was just thinking, oh, what do I usually ride on the fix it? About 48.17, 48.18, and so I just went for 59 19 maybe. I'm not sure. They seemed to fit nice. You had to. Obviously, there's no tensioner now, so you need to find a chain length, which is like a magic gear. So it's gonna be enough tension that should hold. Hopefully it doesn't start trying to shift up.
Yeah, it looks good.
But, I'm gonna have to baby it back home, I think.
All the way to
London.
All the way to Scotland.
Scotland.
How's the
London.
slack on that? Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Go
when
watch
he
on the
rides.
bumps.
Mm.
Yeah. It's all single speed now.
Oh.
Let's see the hands.
Yeah, I kind of abused this leaf a little bit here. There's a little hand rub.
Nice.
Little magic. Oh, this gear feels kind of big. I don't know.
Is she riding? Give us a ew! She's riding. Ew! I guess she's riding.
And this one I should have brought the dice. This is like the dice decision, man.
Roll the
So
dice.
You're gonna ride with us or you're gonna ride home?
I don't know, man.
He needs a 5-minute think period.
Yeah, we'll give you a 5-minute thinker.
I need to like have an app, like a flip a coin app.
I'll do a poll on my.
On your Instagram.
Yes. So it's like it's biased. So
Yeah.
you say I need at least 60% people say yes.
So guys, it's just been raining all bloody day today. So it's been hard to whip out the camera and sort of film us as we're traveling along, but I really like this trail. Like there's some really, really good spots. Like we just run along here, along some coastline. And it's just absolutely stunning. So we're just passing through past this church here. The churches here have graveyards, so this is the church. History right here, but then there's graves like literally just out the front of the church, which is crazy. But these guys have a crazy idea. They want to camp at the back here, so yeah, let's see if it's gonna happen or not. I'm not sure, but I guess if they do it, I'll do it. But at the back there looks right pristine real estate at the back. Oh wow.
So yeah, any excuse to quit is an excuse to keep going. That's all I keep saying.
I'm just getting out of the way. But yeah, we are at a church in nobody knows.
Gold Hanger maybe? I'm not sure.
Yeah, a small little,
Somewhere in Essex.
But the way that the churches are set up here upwards.
So it looks like we're doing it. We're going to be camping in this little sheltered area here. I can't say I've ever camped at a graveyard before, so that's going to be a first for me.
I have.
And these buggers are already talking about ghosts and stuff, so they're already getting me started with potential nightmares and things like that tonight. So we're just barricading the door with our bikes, so hopefully the ghosts don't get through. 3 width of bikes should stop them, I reckon. What do you think?
Yeah. Hopefully the ghosts don't run off with them.
Yes.
Imagine you seeing a ghost just riding your bike while you're like,
So, at the back here of this church, it's a series of graves out here. Yeah, it's pretty creepy. It's crazy, I don't know. Here, let's have a look at this one right here. So the date on this one, 1700 and something. The earliest one is like in the 1700s. So who knows how old this place is, but look at it, it's stunning. I'm just amazed with the type of architecture of like the real historic buildings, because in Australia we just have nothing like this. Yeah, it's truly remarkable. But anyway guys, we're going to be camping in a grave tonight, / church. Anyway, if you enjoyed today's video, give us a thumbs up, drop some comments down below as well, and make sure you're subscribed, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.